Okay, so this is the operation manual. I will change the language into English. First, we press receipts and input different PSI. This is Chinese standard. We will change to different PSI here, and how many kg the sand, rock, and cement here. After this, we will import the task, different task. Okay, after set the task, then okay. So when the task, you see, if today you need 3,000 psi, you just choose, and you choose also how many this truck, how many, like 5 cubic, like 6 cubic, 8 cubic. Okay, set it, then press start. Okay, so everything automatically. When it arrive 5 cubic, stop. Okay, when it arrive 5 cubic, stop. This is a full automatic. This is sand. This is rock. Go up, cement. This one, open close. This water additive.